guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Insi and I would be really happy if you take a minute and just subscribe to my channel. I'm going to share with you guys something that everybody loves, and that is food. So today basically I'm going to make a recipe that I'm sure you all will love it, and it's an alternative to pizza. So if you are craving pizza, you can definitely try this one out. If you want to know that how to make a pizza bread, then please keep on watching.
So let's take on a look on the ingredients. Here I have some Amul butter. You can use any other butter. Cheese that I'm using is by Amul. Next up we have some bread. So if you're a gym freak, you can definitely use brown bread instead of this one. Next we have some Schezwan Chutney. So I have a little amount, so I have a backup with it. So in case if I run out of that, I can use that. Next is some seasoning. So I have Oregano and Chilli Flakes with me, which I'm going to use. Some red chili sauce. I have some salt. Next up is tomato ketchup. Here I'm using the tomato ketchup. So in veggies, I have 3 types of vegetables. You can use whichever you like having it. So I have 3 tomatoes, 1 capsicum and 2 onions. Next up is some garlic and herbs Amul Butter spread. So you can use this one if you want. If you want some garlicky taste, or else you can use the normal butter as well. So that is it for the ingredients of this recipe.
As the pan is heating, I wanted to give you guys instructions before making the batter. So I'm eventually eyeballing all the ingredients and making the batter according to my taste. So you can do that. You can start off by putting 1 tablespoon, and then according to your taste and preferences, you can keep on adding the ingredients as per your wish. So I don't have a specific quantity of how much I am putting in the batter, but yeah, I will be putting according to my taste and preferences, and you can do that too.
So once the vessel is heated, I'm gonna add some Amul butter in it. So I like Amul butter a lot, so I'm gonna add around 3 tablespoons, I guess. So you can add according to your preferences, definitely, as I told you earlier. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add some chili flakes into it and some oregano, just to give it that kind of a flavor, and then I'm going to mix it really well. Then I'm going to add some Schezwan Chutney. So I have approximately taken, I think, 2 or 3 tablespoons of Schezwan Chutney. Add some chili sauce. So approximately I've taken 1.5 tablespoon of chili sauce. So as I told you earlier that I'm eyeballing all the ingredients, so I felt like adding more chili sauce. Now I'm gonna add all the vegetables inside. So I'm gonna start off with the onions. Then mix it well. The same way I'm gonna do with the rest of the vegetables. pizza batter to be a little bit tangy and spicy, both in a mixture. So I will be keeping adding on chili and tomato sauce just to make a balanced flavor in it. So once you feel that the veggies are cooked and the batter is as per your taste, you are done with the batter. So I have already grated the cheese and I'm going to use a knife to apply the butter. So the butter that I will be applying is the garlic spread that I already showed you the ingredients list. So I'm gonna apply a very generous amount, again as per your taste and preferences. So now with the help of a spoon I'm going to add the batter onto my bread. So eyeballing it makes it approximately around 1.5 tablespoon or maybe 2. So in this much batter I could make 9 pizza bread. Now add the pizza bread in the pan and then put the lid on the top of the pan and wait for 5 to 6 minutes and then recheck the pan whether your pizza bread is done or not. You can check it by seeing the surface of the pizza bread. It will turn a little bit crisp, you will get to know that. And also the cheese on the top will melt a little. approximately 15 to 16 minutes now, and my pizza bread is ready. So it is ready to serve now.
Today's video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to share it with your friends so that even they can try this and fulfill their craving. And if you've tried this recipe out, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below, or you can just DM me a picture of your pizza bread on my Instagram account. And last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It really means a lot to me. I'll take a leave now, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.